What's up, guys? Batchy here. It is America Day, July 4th. We got a day off, Thursday, so I'm down at the garage working on shit. Yeah, you guys already know. Little wiper motor replacement. Already got the old one out, new one's in. Fun job here. Pull the whole cowl out. Wiper motor was like seized right up. But so I'm gonna finish this up. Got another side job I got here. Quick little brake job. We got a little sneak preview. New truck. Ooh, 1980 square body. She's in pretty rough shape, guys. But part out. Gonna get this motor running. Gonna strip this front end down. Bumper's in good shape. Grill's in excellent shape. Literally one broken piece on this entire grill. Right here, right where the hood latch is. Common. The hood is mint, 1980, so 1 year only hood. We have some goodies for sale. Air horns, ooh. Steven. Moving the Dodge. But yeah, so we're gonna finish this side job up, and we're gonna do the other side job, and then we're gonna take out the Camaro, and we're gonna do some red, white, and blue smokies. Fucking burnouts, you know, because I mean, July 4th. Nothing says America like some burnouts. So yeah. Catch you guys in a little bit. Okay. Wipers are on. Cowl's back on. Everything's hooked up. I got my hood prop holder here. What's up? BMW action. Alright, let's just make sure that everything works. Steve's feeling optimistic. He just closed the hood. He's like, it's gonna work.
She's done.
This fucking dinger. Okay. Yeah. Squirt. Oh, Jesus.
Lost Steve here.
Perfect. Works for me. Sweetness. Alright. Next side job. Brake time. Alright, guys. Got this brake job in here. New rotors on, pads are on. Always gotta grease up your sliders real good. We got the OG big thing of brake caliper grease right here. Just stick it in there, yeah. Real quick, new rotor, new pads. Give you a little comparison. Old rotor. Got a mean groove on it. Brake pads. New pad. Little comparison. Old pad. There's like nothing left. Yeah. Alright. Gonna finish this side up. Do the other side. What's up, guys? Just getting into Mexico here on this fine Independence Day. It's pretty cool. You don't need a license plate to drive around here down in Mexico. So, got this nice little area. We're gonna go do some smokies because Independence Day. It's a shame I have to celebrate it in Mexico, but what are you gonna do? Okay, guys, we're here out in Mexico. It's hot. Desert heat is crazy. Do a little walk around on the car real quick. We got the Camaro. Nothing screams America like a Camaro. I'm hoping we can do some burnouts with the old girl. A little V6. I don't know. We'll see how she holds up. I wish she was a manual, because then I would just dump clutch and fucking send it. But pretty cool. We out here in Mexico. No license plates needed out in Mexico. You just drive your car around. It's pretty sweet. Oh yeah, let's do this thing. Alright, maybe we'll just do some donuts. Fucker sucks. It could have been way better. This thing doesn't do fucking dick for burnouts. Zero to 60, eventually. Happy 4th of July, guys.